Are you itchy, mommy?
No.
Why you got that on your face already?
Oh, she punches his own body.
The beach is empty today.
Those are some people over here.
The beach is empty today. It got some people over here, but it ain't that many people over here. But we're about to go, you know what I'm saying, go chill. Listen, you don't have to do nothing expensive with these kids, man. I love living in Florida because of this right here too. Amusement parks, all that other stuff, rides and whatever. Yeah, that's exciting, but sometimes these kids just want to run around somewhere and not be locked up in the house or anything. Even if you have a big backyard, they just want to be outside sometimes. Right, Kai?
Yeah.
Because we have all that and they still don't want to be there. They actually jumped in the pool at home just now, and I said, do you want to go to the beach or the pool? They came out of the pool and said, let's go to the beach. Now the beach is rough, and we're actually expecting a storm, so that's why not too many people are here. Hi, Munchie.
Daddy, it's
all right, let's go.
Away. Daddy, I found a mangrove.
A mangrove. If you find anything with man, that's what my youth. There's a girl grove, a woman grove. No, no man grove. It's so rough out here. It actually has this right here, so you can save somebody, right? And it says right there, look, in case of emergency, dial 911, use at your own risk. Throw, don't go. Throw, don't go. Go, mommy, go in the water, go have fun. I gotta go home and cook soon.
Ah!
And there she goes. You going in, Kai?
Yeah.
And there he goes. Because right now we have we still have days where it's like 80 degrees, 90 degrees even. So the heat's still here. But as you can see, this is the same beach that we come to during the summertime. There's nobody here. Because the stuff is washed up on the beach. The stuff is this stuff right here. And there's lots of it on the beach. Seaweed, I guess. Yeah. And it's everywhere. And it's a lot of it. But they put a warning out today that there's gonna be we're expecting a tropical storm or something. So I guess not a lot of people didn't decide to come out today. Plus, as you can see, the sea is coming in closer to the land. I'll tell you something, right? You see this water, how close it is coming into the land, and this little bit of land space left right here before you hit this berm.
Look what I found. It's like...
Yeah, Kai, don't pick it up. Don't you notice it has a funny color to it? I think it's from all the pollen and stuff from during the summer season. Don't wipe it on your face. Go wash your hands off. It's yellow soot. You don't know what that is. Could be whales peeing. It could be whales. The whales are peeing in the ocean.
Ow!
The whales are peeing in the ocean and it comes up yellow like this.
Oh, I see the yellow!
Yeah.
Me too! Monkey whale! Ew, look guys, yellow!
I'm sure it's not whales peeing. It's it's more like the pollen and stuff coming in off the water. The water is rough out here today, like this. But the kids have a lot of space to play because they could run all the way down there as far as you can see. And they could run all the way that way as far as you can see too. This is their playground today. That's some kind of seed, bro. It look like an almond seed.
This is probably how we go almonds.
Yeah, it's some kind of seed. I don't know what kind of seed it is though. What is that?
Daddy, it's something from the ocean. They like stick on the ocean floor. They stick on the ocean floor. It's something like that. It's something that like sticks on the ocean floor with one of these that's coming out right now. Yeah. What is it? It's an animal, Daddy.
It has pretty colors.
Yeah, Daddy. And
it's a shell. It used to be a shell. Look like a clam shell.
And there's something coming out of it. It's an animal.
Yeah, it has things living in it now because the shell's gone.
Ew. The whale shell. Ew. The whale shell.
Relax.
Oh, it moved. How can these move? How can this move? Oh, I touched it. I touched it.
Do you know that these have stuff inside of them?
Where are they?
See? These are actually insects or animals or something. Look. Look at this. You watch it?
What?
Watch the white shell. Watch. It's alive. See? You saw that?
Huh? Huh?
Look. See?
It eats this, Daddy. This is what it eats. It eats. Ew, work! Ew, ew.
All of them are alive.
That's cool.
Look. Let me see if these are alive too. Yep, they're alive.
They're all alive.
Look, they're all alive.
Dig it. What's under it? Let's see if this one might.
There's nothing under it, bro.
Oh, it's just.
What the hell? It's actually a piece of burnt plastic.
What?
It's actually a piece of burnt plastic.
Burnt?
Yeah, that's all it is. It's a piece of burnt plastic, bro.
Oh wow.
Yeah, and they're just clinging to the piece of burnt plastic. I thought it was like a blue crab shell or something, but it's not. You feel it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a piece of burnt plastic.
Actual burnt plastic. Actual.
How are you? That's not sea glass. There's no such thing as sea glass. That's more like a piece of glass.
That is sea glass.
Go throw that way up there so it don't cut somebody's foot.
Daddy, it's actually sea glass.
Oh my gosh, he told it right there.
Look, Kylie! Look, Kylie! What?
Hey man, y'all better run around. I feel I'm getting wet. It's raining.
Oh shoot! It's about to be.
It's about to be time to go home.
Daddy's coming home.
I gotta go to the grocery store. I gotta stop and get dinner. Y'all could jump in the pool if you want to when you get home.
Okay, okay.
While I cook dinner. It's starting to rain now. Hey, you know what's funny? We could tell people that are not Floridians when they come to Florida for vacation, because you see how the beach empty on this side of the beach? Because most Floridians ain't coming to the beach in this weather. You know what I mean? It's a wet, it's a rain, I fall now. Melanie, let's go. We gotta go. The beach is empty. Usually we come to the beach right now, the beach will be full. So full of people.
Run with my toxic love. Look how you make me happy. You take a hold of me. You take a hold of me. I wish I could give you up, but you're my new favorite drug. Enter into my blood. Run with my toxic